We can continue to fight for the rights of our people, even in government. We can fight for human rights even from within government. But it cannot be a crime for the Luo to be the serikali. Right now, because Gachagua has been impeached, now and the Luo people are finding their feet in government. Now the government is bad. Even entities like NGOs, civil society, the church, the NCCK is now finding its voice. This is certainly a conspiracy, and we can see through it. Mr. Luo is close to the government is bad. Tokaja Luo is out of government, is on the streets, the government is good. We can't allow that. One of our four